This video is sponsored by Direct Mobiles. Check out their deals at directmobiles.co.uk.
Okay, so I'm on the Huawei stand looking down over the show and all the new stuff that they've launched. Now, we know that there's no new phone this year. The P20 will launch in March. There's an event in Paris that we've been invited to. We'll get you some good coverage of that then. However, they have launched two exciting new Android tablets as well as a new laptop, and I got a look. Huawei's MediaPad M5 tablet is taking a stab at something that Android needs badly, a high-end device that has a go at unseating Apple's dominance in the premium end of the market. There are two sizes available, an 8.4-inch model and a 10.8-inch version. Built with a metal and stylish unibody and two colour options, champagne gold and space grey. There are two sizes available, an 8.4-inch model and a 10.8-inch version. Built with a metal and stylish unibody and two colour options, champagne gold and space grey. The smaller device has two speakers, while the larger model offers four for the best and loudest possible sound. These are Harman Kardon tuned, and Huawei says they'll offer an impressive 3D sound. Audiophiles will love the high resolution offered too, but you need to plug headphones in to get the benefit of that. On the stand, we got a demo of how the augmented reality apps will make it possible to play music simply by placing pre-printed note tags down. In the demos we got, you could stick these tags on a wall-mounted record, and as they span past the playhead, music emerged.
Now if you press play...
We also got a chance to jam on a cardboard guitar and a keyboard. This is all good fun, but it's nice to see AR being deployed in something different for a tablet. Batteries are generous too. The 8.4 model has a 5,100 mAh capacity and the 10.8 offers 7,500. Because these are large batteries, they can take a while to charge, and Huawei has thoughtfully included fast charging to take the pain away. The 10.8-inch model isn't just larger either, it offers a better landscape mode for working, and the company has followed Apple's leads and included a 3-pin keyboard connector at the bottom of the device. A pen is also available to give you the option to scribble notes and draw to your heart's content. We also got a look at Huawei's new MateBook X Pro, this stylish and beautiful laptop designed, again, to give Apple a run for its money. It has a 3000 by 2000 pixel display that really stands out here, as does the lovely all-metal design. Core i5 and i7 processors are available, and discrete GPU is an option too. It's an NVIDIA MX150 which aims to balance performance with battery life. It has 2GB of DDR5 RAM too, which should make video editing a breeze. Huawei says it can manage 14 hours on a single charge.